I thought the tool sounded funny. What name do they call me?
Drax the Destroyer.
Ah, that is correct.
You got his name right.
That's what bothers you?
Sorry. Gamora, daughter of Thanos.
I am not the daughter of Thanos! Ow! 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 Ow!
You're not supposed to tap the glass.
Don't even start.
Hey, would you two keep it down over there?
I am Groot.
I know. There's someone considerate.
I'm Groot.
According to that, you're not Groot. You're a Flora Colossus.
I am Groot. Don't listen to him. You are Groot.
You want to know what they call you, Rocket?
I know what they call me. Cybernetic, genetic,
That's Rocket.
Who wants to have my fist?
I thought you'd be more upset about the rodents part.
Ain't nothing in the universe like being sexy.
And that is precisely why he is in my collection. He is also notorious for escaping from every prison that ever tried to hold him. Which is why I have wires in each cage.
So artifacts and life in the galaxy.
Hey, do you guys validate?
But on today's tour, you will be allowed into my most secure inner sanctum to see.
Attention! Raise your hands now for security bioscan.
As I will.
Scan complete. Once in the system, your hand scan will give you clearance and the doors will open towards you. Please stand by.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
That'll leave a mark.
You are now standing in my private office,
I know.
where I carefully
scrutinize
scrutinize
each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy that after I've met you, this guy. Hearing you when you said slandering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. Ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan. Why? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friend. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the gantry.